Alt R.
Hello everyone, my name is Amy. I am here with yourtechvision.com. Today we are having a lesson on typing Chinese using JAWS. So here we go.
Search box edit, type in text.
I hit my Windows key to go to the search bar, to type Word, to go to my Word.
War selected, War, Word, tab, enter. Opening dash, opening dash Word. List box Word, new list box, blank document, 1 of 6. To move.
You can hit Escape or you can hit Enter to go to a blank worksheet.
Print view, edit.
I hit Enter. So now I am switching my JAWS into Chinese with Insert Control S.
Select the voice profile dialog, default combo box, eloquence, 1 of 9. To change the selection, use the arrow.
I am going to hit T for Tian Tian for the Chinese JAWS.
T, can vocalizer.
Edit.
Now I am going to switch my keyboard with Windows space. So I already have mine set up. I have two keyboards, English and Chinese keyboard. If you did not have the keyboard set up, you have to go to Control Panel and set up right there. That's another lesson.
Windows space.
Setting keyboard layout to Chinese left parenthesis.
So it says Chinese. I stopped JAWS by using the Control key. So now I'm going to type a word. See, does it show up in Chinese characters?
Ni hao. Auto.
Ni hao.
So it didn't.
Blank.
Space. O.
As you can see, it's the English and NIHAO.
Space.
So
O. A.
Selected.
I'm using my, since I'm going to delete the whole thing anyways, I'm using my Control A to select all and then hit
blank.
Delete, so I can delete the whole thing. Now I'm going to go to Alt R.
ALTR. Upper ribbon. Review tab.
It's a review tab, and then I'm going to hit ZL to go to language.
ZL. Language toolbar.
And then I'm going to hit U for proofing language.
U. Menu. Leaving menus. Set proofing language ... To move through items, press.
Enter.
Leaving menus. Leaving ribbons.
And I know that if I hit up arrow, it will be Chinese.
Chinese left parent, China right parent.
And
of Liang.
that is Chinese, and then I am hitting enter.
Edit.
And then now if I type
document E-CA blank ni blank blank.
So this time it did work.
Hello document CHS 你好.
So this time it worked 你好, but most times it doesn't work.
你好.
If it doesn't work,
selected blank.
If it doesn't work, you're going to hit Windows B.
Windows B. Microsoft Word document. Microsoft Word. Action Center. 21 new notifications button. System tray input indicator dash Chinese left column.
Until you hit tray indicator input. So usually if it did not work like we did go to the proofing language, you're going to come here and you're going to enter on this. So then the keyboard will totally switch to Chinese. But since it worked, I'm not going to hit enter. So just so you know, if you come here, you can go to here and then hit enter on the tray indicator. You can hit Windows B to go to your notification center. You're going to do left arrow to go to the tray indicator. You can use right arrow. It will take forever. You will just go in a circle, but left arrow is the fastest. I'm going to escape out of here.
Escape. Document E-Word. Edit.
So I am going to type
你好. Alt enter. What means hone?
Space.
Misspelled.
E. N. O. H.
Spelling error.
Wadaminziji Oxio.
Huh. Funny.
Selected. Misspelled.
Niho
Okay.
misspelled water.
Blank.
Before it worked.
O.
Nihao. Misspelled.
O.
So
Selected.
it doesn't
Blank.
work. So now we're gonna get to try Windows B.
Windows B. User promoted notification.
And then I'm gonna hit left arrow.
Action set. System clock. Tray input indicator dash Chinese left parens.
It said Chinese. So I'm gonna hit
Enter.
enter. And now let's see where I am with insert T.
Title is taskbar.
Taskbar. So I'm gonna go Alt Tab back to my Word document.
Document E-Word. To move to an item blank.
So now
Nihao. Spelling misspelled. Blank. Spelling error misspelled.
Niheo.
Selected.
Ah,
Miss
funny.
blank.
let me see. Why doesn't it work? Let's see.
Windows space. Setting keyboard layout to US.
Windows space.
Setting keyboard layout to Chinese left parent
You gotta
simplify.
love this.
Blank.
You predict it will work.
Nihao.
But it
Document
didn't
CA
work.
character
Oh, there you
Lins.
go.
Nihao.
Okay. So I am not sure why it did not work. I think in the process, the keyboard might have switched to English. But here we go.
Nihao.
And
Enter. M. Admin Enter. CHS 我的名字叫小红。你好，
So there you go. This is the perfect Chinese.
我的名字叫小红。
So just for review, you are going to go to your Word document and then switch your language by insert Control S to Chinese. And then you are going to go hit Windows space to switch your keyboard. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. If it doesn't work, you are going to hit Alt-R-Z-L to language. And then you are going to hit U for proofing language and hit enter and hit up arrow for Chinese. And then hit enter. And if it still doesn't work, then you can hit Windows B for the system tray, left arrow to go to tray indicator or input, I think. And then you're going to hit enter on that. It's Chinese and it's selected. And then it will work. This time it didn't work. I'm not sure why, because we had a little hiccup on the way. I hit Windows V instead of Windows B. So yeah, so here we go. This is how to use Chinese with JAWS. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Meeting controls. To move to an item, press LTQ and enter. And meet.